Okay, here's page 167. This is Algebra 2, number 22. It says an office manager is purchasing the file cabinets and wants to maximize storage space. The office has 60 square feet of floor space for the cabinets and $600 in the budget to purchase them. It says cabinet A requires 3 square feet of floor space, has a capacity of 12 cubic feet, and costs $75. Cabinet B requires 6 square feet of floor space, has a storage capacity of 18 cubic feet, and a cost of $50. How many of each cabinet should the office manager buy? Well, we got to write out our equations. Okay. Let's make this in black. Okay. My first equation is going to be 75x. 75x represents the number of A cabinets plus number of B cabinets, which will be 50y. Well, that has to be smaller than or equal to the budget of $600. Okay, let's take this and solve it for y, because we're going to be graphing this equation. Subtract 75x on both sides. Subtract 75x. And we're going to have 50y is less than or equal to negative 75x plus 600. Divide everything by 50. Divide by 50. Divide by 50. So you're going to have y is less than or equal to, reduce this, divide both of those by 25. So that's going to be negative 3 over 2x plus 12. We're going to write this equation on the other board because we're going to graph it. My other equation, we're going to deal with the area. The total area can't be greater than or equal to 60. That's the maximum. So the area for cabinet A is 3 square feet. So we're going to have 3x plus the area for this one can't be is 6 square feet. 6y. That must be less than or equal to 60. Okay. Here we're going to solve this for y again. Here subtract 3x on both sides. Let's just bring it over. 6y is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 60. Alright, next divide by 6 everything. Y is less than or equal to, what's that, negative 1 over 2 x plus 10. Well, here we have our equation, and now we're going to take both of these. Oh, I almost forgot our constraints. Your number of cabinets has to be greater than 0 for A and B. So you're going to also graph the constraints. X is greater than or equal to 0, and Y is greater than or equal to 0. Now we're going to take this and we're going to draw our graphs. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to graph this first one here. I'm going to graph it in white. I'm going to go up to 12 for the y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept is 12. Slope is negative 3 over 2. That means from here I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Go over 2. Put a dot. And here I'm just going to draw the line. Okay, after I put a dot, I would draw it. But let's not draw it yet. I'm going to show you what I mean why not to. This one, I will go up 10. Okay, I'm going to go down 1 over 2. I'm going to be here. Notice it's actually the same point. Okay, and what you're going to get out of that is one equation. One line is going to look like this, something like this. The other line is going to look something like this. Okay, where are they going to intersect? Those axes over here, just so I can be neat. Well, one thing you can do, I think we're going to have to pause and go to another video. So let's pause and go to part 2.